everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back to yet another episode of Key Time Talks. Recently, Sparsh and I went to a party which was attended by four other couples. During the party, each person shook hands with some of the other people in the group, except obviously their own spouse and themselves. At the end, I asked the other nine people as to how many people had they shaken hands with during the party. And to my surprise, everyone gave a different number. So, can you guess how many people did Sparsh shake hands with?
Do pause the video, think about the solution and post your answers in the comments. Okay, so the answer is that I shook hands with 4 people. The key to solving this is to realize a couple of things. One, the total number of people that anyone can shake hands with ranges from 0 to 8. Because out of 10 people, you don't shake hands with yourself and your spouse, so that leaves you with 8 other possibilities. The second thing to realize is that you have a total of 9 people who shook hands with a different number of people, and you have 9 possibilities for number of handshakes. So that means that you basically need to assign the numbers from 0 to 8 to each of these 9 people. Let's start doing this. Let's say that M1 shook hands with 8 people, the maximum that's possible. Let's now think what this means for who could have shaken hands with nobody, 0. M1 shook hands with 8 people, that means all of these 8 people. Therefore, none of these 8 people could have shaken hands with 0 people. Therefore, his wife is the one who shook hands with nobody. So 8 and 0 have to go together. Now let's look at who shook hands with 7 people. Let's say M2 shook hands with 7 people. That means that he shook hands with everybody except obviously his spouse, himself and W1. Right? What does that mean for who could have shaken hands with just one person? Let's say that one person is any of these people. Let's say this. Then this person had to have shaken hands with only M1 and therefore he couldn't have shaken hands with M2. But then that does not leave 7 people for M2 to shake hands with. What does that mean? That the person who shook hands with only one person is W2. And now you will see a pattern emerging. 8 and 0 are one couple, 7 and 1 are one couple. Similarly, 6 and 2 will be another couple, and it could be either way, right? So let's say it's 2 and 6. 5 and 3 will have to be another couple, 5 and 3. And you can actually test the logic I gave for these other couples as well, which leaves us with only 4 people left. And therefore, I am the one who shook hands with 4 people.
Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.
Thank you.